How many pipes are there?
I was counting them last night because I knew I would get this question. It's 1,140 speaking pipes. There are other pipes on display that are just part of our display to make up the front pipe assembly. But the actual speaking pipes is 1,140.
How many types of pipes are there in the organ and what are they called?
Well, you have reeds. You have reeds in the organ. You have metal flue pipes. You have wooden flue pipes, which are like flutes, for example. And the metal flue are like the principals, the diapasons, and the reeds. So and then you have strings as well, which are metal. So there's 4 main types: reeds, metal flue, wooden flutes, and strings, which is just a metal flue pipe, but they're called strings. So in general, four different types in this organ anyway.